Are you looking for the best professional 3D printer? In this video we will look at some of the best professional 3D printer on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1, JG Maker A9 Pro. For a top-of-their-range professional 3D printer, consider the JG Maker A9 Pro, our top spot on today's ranking. An industrial-grade enclosed 3D printer, this unit is ideal for businesses who need ample versatility without impeding quality, for tremendous client-facing results. The most striking feature of this model is its immense build volume of 500mm by 400mm by 600mm, which allows for huge-scale designs for architects, engineers and anyone else wishing to create sterling 3D models. Detail isn't lost to scale. However, as the printer employs highly precise Z-axis controls to maintain consistent accuracy from the magnetic print heads, with automatic leveling and compatibility with a wide range of filaments such as ABS, the A9 Pro adds tremendous value to any business. That said, the printer is notably slower than many other professional 3D printers. With a maximum speed of just 150mm per second, you'll be waiting a while to see the fruits of the printer's labor. It's always worth the wait, however, and we still recommend the A9 Pro as the best professional 3D printer on the market. Number 2, Snapmaker A350T. Combining a professional 3D printer with a CNC carver and laser engraver, the Snapmaker A350T is a tremendous value add for businesses of any kind, enabling you to create an even wider range of designs. This 3D printer is a tremendous multi-purpose print solution, often retailing under $2,000. With a build volume of 320mm by 330mm by 350mm in an open frame design, the A350T is a healthy median between print volume and print quality. Aside from the other two functions of this 3"-1 unit, the 3D print functionality is stellar. It features a power loss recovery function, ensuring that you can continue your projects in case of power interruptions, as well as an automated filament runout detection. You can configure and customize the A350T to your specific business needs thanks to its highly advanced operating system with personal profiles and intuitive interface. That said, one element that loses the A350T marks is in the noise level. It's difficult to work in the same room as this 3D printer, so smaller office spaces may not want it in operation during busy periods. If you can accommodate the noise, then this is one of the best professional 3D printers on the market. Number 3, Soval SV04. For business quality results that you don't have to expense a client for, consider the Soval SV04. This budget professional 3D printer is capable of stunning prints, and boasts many of the features often reserved for higher-end models. Thanks to its dual extruder print system, the SV04 is capable of printing quickly using two extruders, printing two prints simultaneously, or printing in multiple colors. Despite its open frame design, the printer runs smoothly and near silently with a 32-bit silent board. With a maximum build volume of 300mm by 300mm by 400mm, you have plenty of space to experiment, along with an easy-to-grasp interface that makes the entire print process easier. With many more quality-of-life features in this value-for-money model, there's plenty to like about the SV04. However, that doesn't mean there's nothing to dislike. Though the SV04 features automated leveling, it is notably inconsistent, which often results in warped or failed prints. It's rare enough to not discount this printer entirely, but worth mentioning if you require guaranteed results. For a budget professional 3D printer solution, this is definitely a worthwhile investment. Number 4, MakerBot Replicator Plus. For a mid-range professional 3D printer, not overtly expensive but still highly capable, we've chosen the MakerBot Replicator Plus. This high-end professional 3D printer capable of impressive build space and exceptional print quality, boasting a build volume of 252mm by 199mm by 150mm, the Replicator Plus isn't the largest printer on our rankings, but allows for enough space to freely experiment. An internal camera is capable of smartphone connectivity, and allows you to monitor your print progress in real time. With fast print speeds and accuracy within 0.1mm, you won't be waiting long and will certainly be satisfied with the results. So why is this printer not higher in the best professional 3D printer rankings? With support only provided for PLA filament, this unit is inherently limited in its design potential, effectively hamstringing its usefulness to businesses. It's still a professional 3D printer in terms of quality, but it's less impressive than other models on our list. Number 5. Prusa i3 MK3S Plus. Our final pick for the best professional 3D printer is the Prusa i3 MK3S Plus, which we have consistently sung the praises of, and for good reason. At a midpoint of price and quality, this is a terrific option for businesses wanting a high-end 3D print solution. Utilizing a unique super print probe, the MK3S Plus ensures level designs from the outset, making for minimal errors or creasing of filament. The build volume of 250mm by 210mm by 210mm matches your design ambitions perfectly. Print resolution is stellar, and with a wide range of filaments to choose from, this 3D printer can accommodate a number of professional needs. Easy to set up and equally easy to calibrate, this printer has a lot of benefits. One drawback, however, is the assembly of the model. The MK3S Plus is quite involved, which can be cumbersome for business needing a quick and easy 3D print solution. It's a small issue to overcome, however, and we still rank the MK3S Plus highly among our best 3D printers for professionals.